Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Healthcare Tips by Alina. I'm Alina, and today, we've got an exciting topic to explore: the incredible benefits of clove water and how to make it at home. Clove water is a natural elixir with a wide range of health benefits, so let's dive right in. The benefits of clove water. First, let's talk about the numerous benefits of clove water. Boosts digestion. Clove water is a digestive champion. It helps relieve indigestion and bloating, making it a go-to solution after a heavy meal. Immune system support. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that can strengthen your immune system and help you fend off illnesses. Anti-inflammatory properties. For those dealing with inflammation, clove water can provide some relief, even for conditions like arthritis. Oral health. Clove water can be used as a natural mouthwash, freshening your breath and combating bacteria in the mouth. Respiratory relief. Inhaling the steam from clove water can help ease respiratory issues, such as coughs and congestion. Pain relief. Whether it's dental pain, headaches, or muscle aches, clove water's analgesic properties may offer you some comfort. How to make clove water. Now, let's get to the good part: making your very own clove water. 1. Ingredients and equipment. You'll need 4 to 5 whole cloves in a cup of water. 2. Boiling the water. Begin by boiling a cup of water in a pot. 3. Adding cloves. Once the water is boiling, add the 4 to 5 whole cloves to the pot. 4. Simmering. Allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the cloves to infuse their goodness into the water. 5. Straining. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and strain the water to separate the cloves. There you have it, your homemade clove water is ready to enjoy. Whether you're looking to boost your digestion, strengthen your immune system, or find natural remedies for various ailments, clove water might be just what you need. Remember to consume it in moderation, and if you have any specific health concerns or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.